So now that it's warmed up, we can open the ramp door and work on the truck on the outside comfortably. I needed a way to lower the ramp door and bring it up kind of easily. Well, no, not kind of. I needed a way to do it very easily. To do that, I'm hoping to put a winch. Nah, how do I phrase this? I don't know what I'm saying. I'm lost. Spring is here, so that means that we're going to do a little bit of work on this ramp door. Right now, we're using the eyes of the locking mechanism to lift and lower the truck, but that won't let us actually latch it while we're pulling on it. So we need some sort of a handle or something to pull while we latch it. We're going to put some grab handles on the side. Is this in frame? Okay. We're going to put some grab handles on the side, but that's not until later. That's not until after we've put our layer that's going to be the floor and then the paint and all that other stuff on top. Then we'll put our grab handles because they're going to be somewhat decorative as well. Today we're going to put some loops right here so that we can pull on here and close the door, and also help us if there's a load on here, we need to lift the door with the load. We can lift from these 2 points as well. Probably going to lift from the outside still, but this is just extra something to grab and pull the door with. And for that, I've got this E-track. E-track is like, let's see, I don't know how to explain it. It's like it's an anchoring system that a lot of people will use in their big trucks and truck beds to strap things down to the bed. And they make them in this one hole slot, and they also make them that are 1 foot long or 2 foot long or 8 foot, 10 foot long. They go all the way fairly large. This is just one strap, and it takes these special adapters, E-track adapters, that kind of go in and they lock, and it's on there. Quick release, quick on. It's a low profile. A lot better than like a D-ring, which is what we're going to use. But this is what I'm going to mount right now. And after that, we're going to mount some on the roof. The ceiling, not the roof. Maybe the roof too. Yeah, so this foam is fireproof, and it got a little bit of heated from the, or fire resistant I should say. It got a little heated from the welder, but there is no risk of it actually catching flame and burning the truck down. It's fire resistant. Okay, so since I'm going through through aluminum, I've got a really big washer that's going to go on the other side, and then a nylock on top of that, and then all of this will hold up where I put it, the E-track bracket, and this is how it's going to be with the roof of my fingers. That's how it's going to be in the ceiling. this is how we're going to get the door up and down. We were kind of like teetering on the edge of how to figure out how to raise and lower this ramp. Most RVs that have a patio like this or a ramp of some sort, they end up with a spring that helps you assist having the door move up and down. I couldn't find the spring, and I couldn't figure out how to put it on. I couldn't find any videos showing me how I could put it on. And so a winch system, it's not that heavy, so we could lift it up and down, but a winch system will make it to where either one of us could do it on our own. Right now, we would have to use, both of us, to raise and lower the door. But now with these loops that we put in, we can run a cable from the floor, hook to a winch, all the way up, hook this ring, go up to this ring, the next ring over, and then down to the doors. And that would allow us to power the door up or let it fall down, and we can just control it with the winch inside. Also, if we want to put something really heavy in here, we can use the winch to drag it up the ramp. It's a pretty steep ramp, and that would be very helpful to not have to muscle up something that weighs 150, 200 pounds up that steep of a ramp. And there it is.